Do you enjoy music, Evie?
I suppose.
You see, I'm a musician of sorts, and on my way to give a very special performance. Tell me, do you know what day it is, Evie?
How beautiful, is it not?
Beneath this mask there is more than flesh. Beneath this mask there is an idea, Mr.